Let's take a quick one on this question on Venn diagram. Now we are required to fill in the given info on a Venn diagram of 3 sets. Checking that information that is given there, we can see that actually there are 12 students who joined all 3 clubs. That is the region whereby all 3 sectors are overlapping. This point there I've highlighted with a rectangle. Now let's put in the correct the value 12 where I've highlighted with the rectangle, because that's actually where all 3 sports, all 3 clubs had been joined. Now let's just write which color should I use for this one? Maybe this. Okay. It's 12. Nice one. Now let's check another one that we can put in directly. The other one that we can put in directly is this one, 18 for music only. Music only is represented by this part here. This part here. It's represented by this part here. That part is representing our music. Now why isn't it going back? So let's just write in the correct value, which is music only. It's represented by a total of 18 students. 18. Now what else can we put in directly? What else can we put in just directly as it is? Seems like we've got nothing more. Now let's check these two statements rather. I'm missing this one. Let's just check these two statements. Nice one. The first one is saying Cindy joined STEM and Arts. STEM and Arts, what region is that? It's this region here. STEM and Arts, that's this region here. This region I'm highlighting with a blue circle. This region. So the total that must go in there should be 20. So if we put an unknown, say x there, we should know that x is equals to x plus 12 should give us the total of students joining STEM and Arts, which is 20. Then subtracting 12 from both sides, we are getting that is 20 minus 8. Then your x is equals to is 20 minus 12. If you subtract 12 from both sides, then the solution is 8. Then let's come and replace the value x with the number 8. With the number 8 there. Boom. Now let's remove this on the second statement, and then the second statement is telling us that the second statement is telling that 18 students joined STEM and music. STEM and music is this region over here. This region over here. That's the STEM and music. So if I can put an unknown value, an unknown variable, maybe say x here, put an unknown variable x there, then I should easily say my x plus 12 should give me the total number of students choosing music and STEM. That's 18. Then solving that linear equation, we first subtract 12 from both sides. X is equals to 18 minus 12, and then x is equals to 6. Now let's replace our x. Replace x with 6. Replace x with 6. Replacing x with 6. This one go 6. Nice. And then now let's find in the other missing numbers. Let's start with the stem section. On the stem section, just notice, or rather on the stem section, just notice that you can put in an unknown variable x here. I think we don't need this one. Again, now we are working on the first three statements, these ones. So working on those, let's just put an unknown variable x there, and then you know that the total number of students joining STEM is 48. So x plus 8 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 48, and then this is x plus 8 plus 12 is 20 plus 6, that's 26. So this is x plus 26 is equals to 48, which means that if we subtract x, if we subtract 26 from both sides, you are getting that your x is equals to 48 minus 26, and then your x is equals to 48 minus 26. That will give you a 22. Now let's replace x with 22. Replace x with 22. And then next statement, 50 students joining the arts. We cannot be able to find that one because we have two unknowns. Here. The first one is this unknown and the second one is this. So we cannot be able to find the one for us first. Now let's try music first. So for music, the only unknown we have is here. So for that, we can put another unknown variable, maybe x. So to say our 6 plus 8, 6 plus 12 plus 18 plus x. This should give you a total of students choosing the music, which is 41. So your x plus 12 plus 18, that's 30, that's 36, is equals to 41. Then subtracting 36 from both sides, you are getting that x is equals to 4 plus 1 is 5. X is equals to 5. Now let's go and replace x with 5. Replace x with 5. Just replace x with 5. Then from now we can be able to go back to the 50 students choosing arts. So we have to put an unknown variable x here, and then remove this one. Now let's see. We have your 8 on the arts. Exactly, it's 8 plus 12 plus 5 plus x equals to 41. Then 8 plus 12, that's 20 plus 5 plus 25 plus x equals to 41. Subtracting 25 from both sides, you are getting that x is equals to 41 minus 25, which implies that x is equals to 8 is equals to 41 minus 25, giving me 16. So this is 16. Then let's replace x with 16. 16. Replace x with 16